Welcome to How Fred Does It. This week we'll see how well my jig worked for making sure that the new cab mount positions are in the right place and make sure the cab fits on the frame the way it should.
Yep. So all locked and tight.
Yep. Locked in.
Okay. Let's see if we can't move this son bugger.
Where do you want to go?
Probably forward a little bit.
Alright, now we just need to add two things.
Move the back end.
So we've got
Actually, no.
chili powder.
Once we jack it up, we might be able to just get right under it.
Yeah.
And I've got like a
Okay.
garlic, onion, I don't know, some sort of weird mix. Here, we're just gonna throw that in there as well.
You ready?
Ready as it's gonna be.
You scared?
Give it a nice stir.
Oh man, it's classic pancakes. That's it. Alright,
Oh, yeah.
stop it from swinging.
Swinging.
Alright. Oh baby. Oh baby.
Attached a little carabiner to this. I don't know.
That can't be right. That cannot be right.
All I got to say, Fred, is I'm here.
All right. Well, we'll get her closer, but I gotta get the. There are some.
So a lot of you guys have mentioned that I should get like a pocket bellow for fires and stuff. So what I did
Yeah, we might need
is
to
I actually had
move
like
back end over a little bit, but
Okay.
and I broke it off.
pretty damn close. That project. Where's the project?
Hey,
On the course. These should be cap supports.
woo, boy,
I'm gonna have to come forward some,
Yep.
but I think we can just come straight forward now.
Yeah, that's gotta come quite a ways forward yet.
Yeah.
it's really
So that-
calm and
we should
relaxing
be able to
out
set
here
it
by the
down
fire
now.
and listening to
You're
the
close.
bees.
Start working on fishing
You get that?
bolts in.
So, as far as coming forward,
It's just beautiful. It really is.
Oh.
I keep finding all these great places, you guys.
All right, so
I hope you
yeah,
all
the
enjoy
back
it.
end may need to.
It's starting to get cold, that's why I'm wearing Wiley.
okay, which way?
Trust your Wiley.
Back end towards the outside of the house.
Okay.
A low of 20 feet.
Close we are.
It wasn't terrible coming in. It was
I had an
pretty choppy.
idea.
Yeah.
Choppier than I like it, actually. I haven't been out on any really big lakes. I would say that this is probably the biggest lake that I've been on with that canoe. And I'm no pro, I'll tell you that.
Well, this doesn't
No
swing.
pro at all. Alright, that fire's just about out, so
That's over the
time to
hole.
hit the bed.
Figure it out a little bit.
I can kinda,
Actually, we gotta turn on the trail cam
Yeah.
real quick.
I wish
We're
this
gonna find a small island.
okay, stop.
You never know.
That's okay, just we'll get it close and we'll slide it around it a
It
little
is
bit.
cold.
Alright.
It is
See
very
if I can get a
cold.
bolt in this front. And I'm just gonna drop them down through the top for now.
Okay, it's gonna come probably 2 or 3 inches my way.
Yeah, just pull it. Because it's amazing I have children. Mama must have helped.
Yeah.
Come on. So the other thing too is these got shims.
Okay.
I just haven't put the shims in, so. But I'm all excited.
Well, good morning. It's I think it's around 8 o'clock right now already. I slept in. It's just so dark in here that you can hardly tell that the sun comes up.
Boom!
Boom!
I think that's kind of cool.
Woo!
Let's check the temperature in here.
Jack it up, the tires back on it?
Yes, sir!
There's
Right on.
36 outdoors.
I will put some nuts on it.
Alright, I'm going to take the jack out of the back end and move to the front.
54 indoors. That's pretty good. So we've got
Back where it belongs, Dad!
That's where it belongs.
outside. That's cool. And I've got no heat source or nothing in here. Just the insulation of the inner tent.
Let me go ahead and let it
I
down.
like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And, because it's got, still has some,
Tension on it.
Other than the
Yeah.
mattress is in it,
done.
I didn't sleep terrible at all.
She's on there.
She is on.
Like Donkey Kong.
For the last
I think we're
time.
well rested for the day.
I know you gotta have to loosen up and
Right.
I
do
really
some,
dig this.
But the cat ain't
do
coming
some
off.
shit. Yeah.
Shelter.
Ooh.
Get that up.
Gracie! Come here!
It's a twuck.
It's a truck again. What do you think?
It's about to be ready by senior year.
Oh, it'll be really good.
That's why I'm here. That's why I'm pushing.
He kicked me right square in ours.
I did.
Yeah, that was her request. She wanted to do the senior parade in the truck.
Okay. Well,
It is so crazy to see the snow. I don't think I can really capture it on my camera, but man, it's coming down. It's coming
I ain't
down.
hurting progress.
It's gonna actually-
No, you ain't.
The winter is coming, guys. Winter is coming. I don't know if the batteries are low or what, but I didn't catch anything, that's for sure.
My sister wanted to pull for too.
Well, that's a weird ass thread.
So,
But it's gonna be done.
nice.
Yeah. Everything I got's coarse. We'll just have to put the lock nuts on and not put them on tight. That's fine.
just get them on to where they won't fall.
Yeah, so it won't pull out.
Yeah.
That's all. I just wanted you to see.
Okay. That's very cool. I'm excited.
Yeah. I have no idea. But you know what? Hold on. Let's try and go. I think my pin fell out.
I think the
It's
pin.
right there.
Oh, shit.
Praying for some
Where
calm.
was it? That went.
It just
Oh,
threads
it's
into the
screws
handle.
in.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, hang on.
That's a blooper reel. We were looking so good too.
I know, right?
That's where I gotta go. I'm not gonna cross that. I'm just gonna cross over here, straight ahead, and then follow
I
the
see it.
shoreline that way. I just don't want to get out in the middle of there again. It's so
There
choppy.
you go.
This looks like a safer bet. So, on we go. Forward.
Once more into the breach.
See if we can make it
There
over
we
to the
go.
shore.
That's good.
All right. Give it more support.
I think so. Yeah, just gives it a little more strength.
What do you want with this stuff?
Just throw it up here for now, I guess.
Okay. Better not be there next time I come show up.
Yes, Dad. I'll throw this in the office then if we're not working. Need it. Mama, we got a truck, Mama. It's on the frame. Done.
You just
Is
gotta let it sit in there and
all of that work
get all the
to
moisture
make
out
sure
of
that
it.
those mount
Basically like
holes
making charcoal.
line up, went back in the same place, and they are on the spot.
Absolutely
$1 million.
perfect.
It's
Yeah.
work- It looks like it's working.
You can't. I don't know that you can get any better than that.
I hope it's not good enough inside. If it is,
That's better than damn near perfect. That'd be perfect.
it'd be interesting to be able to make charwood or charcoal.
On that side, I get on this side.
Bill Murray is the master of
There we go.
Yep.
So it's a little
Okay, well that tells me that
more
me moving this might be a little more tricky.
would be a natural fit. It sounds like an interesting one. I've never seen it. I enjoy Bill Murray. I like his low key stuff, you know. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, how we
It
doing
might be a good
for
movie. It
room
might
back
not.
there?
Well, I can go sideways.
Oh, that's right. You're already on the dolly.
Yep. We have to back up a little. Want to turn the tires back the other way. Back up a little.
Hello, Fred here again. If you're still with us, thanks for watching along. There's many ways to accomplish tasks, and I hope that my sharing my 45 years or so of DIY experience with how Fred does it can help folks out there start taking on some of their own repairs and projects. Hopefully, as I create more videos, I can even save you a few dollars in the long run. So I've got a couple of more videos coming here. I'm restoring a double bit axe, and I'm going to be doing some plumbing repair, so we'll do some how-to on that. And so if you like this video, check out some of my other videos, and check back often for future videos as I continue restoring the 65 Ford and look at some 3D printing solutions for the home, for home repair and tools, and also additional how-tos for the home. So take care and talk to you all soon.